y equals 6x minus 2. So we want to plug it in, and when we're filling out when we're doing this table, with this function, well, this is just a function, and we're figuring out for these values of x, what does y equal? Because remember, a function is just a relationship. So how do we do this? So again, 6x minus 2. To figure out all these values, we are plugging in these various x values. So first we're going to plug in a -5. Then we're going to plug in a -1. See, I'm just replacing the x. Remember, this is multiplication. It's not 65. It's 6 times -5. Y equals 6 times 0 minus 2. And y equals 6 times 1 minus 2. Okay, 6 times -5 is -30, right? The negative contaminates the positive. -30 minus 2 is -32, because these are after all both negative numbers, and when it's really a plus negative, so we're just combining, gets more negative, we get a -32. Here we get -6 minus 2. This is again a minus, just means a plus negative. These are two negative numbers that are being combined to get us -8. 6 times 0 is 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is just -2. And then this is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So the way we fill it in is for -5 we got -32. For -1 we got -8. For 0 we got -2. And for 1 we got 4. Okay, y equals -2x minus 5. Same dealio. We've got these different values, so let's write it out. Y equals -2 times -4 minus 5. Y equals -2 times -2. Whoops. -2 minus 5. Y equals -2 times 0 minus 5. And y equals -2 times 2 minus 5. All right, let's evaluate these. -2 times -4. Negative times a negative is a positive. It becomes +8 minus 5, which is 3. Negative times a negative is a positive. +4 minus 5, which equals -1. Because this is really a +4 plus a -5, which is a negative value, -1. -2 times 0 is 0 minus 5, which is just -5. And finally, we got -2 times 2, which is -4 minus 5, which is a negative and a negative, which combines to be a greater negative of -9, right? It's like a -4 plus a -5, which is -9. So now let's put all these values in. We got 3, we've got -1, we've got -5, and we've got -9.